Today, we are going to explore some of the more advanced functionalities of Access 2016. We'll look at field names, data types, primary keys, and field properties. Let's start with naming fields. First, open your Access database and navigate to the table you want to work with. Right-click on the table name and select Design View. In this view, you'll see columns for field name, data type, and other properties. Click on the Field Name column for the field you want to rename, type in the new name, and press Enter to save it. Make sure the names are clear and meaningful. Data types determine the kind of data that can be stored in a field, such as text, numbers, or dates. To specify a data type, select the field in the Field Name column in Design View, click on the Data Type column, and choose the appropriate type from the drop-down menu. Common data types include short-long text for text, number for numerical data, and date-time for date or time information. Design View offers precise control over the structure and properties of your database tables, allowing for a well-organized data model.
What are primary keys and how do we set them?
A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. To set a primary key, open the table in Design View, select the field or combination of fields you want as the primary key, and click the Primary Key button in the Design tab. A key icon will appear next to the selected field. Primary keys ensure each record is distinct and establish relationships between tables, maintaining data integrity. Field properties control how data is stored, displayed, and validated, providing flexibility and ensuring consistency. In Design View, click on the field you want to modify and adjust the properties in the Field Properties pane at the bottom. You can set properties like field size, format, input mask, validation rule, default value, required status, and indexing. Save your changes to apply them. Sorting arranges records in a specific order based on field values, making it easier to analyze and interpret data. To sort data, open the table in Datasheet view, click on the column header of the field you want to sort by, and click the Sort Ascending or Sort Descending button in the ribbon under the Home tab. For multiple fields, use the Sort and Filter button and choose your sorting options. That's a brief overview of some advanced functionalities in Access 2016. By mastering these features, you'll become a proficient Access user.